Okay, let's talk about DHCP and DNS configuration. So once you go to that menu, what you'll see is interfaces. Those are basically your VLANs you've created and your physical interfaces. You'll enable the ones that are generally LAN interfaces, not the WAN. It's a good rule of thumb. The interfaces that are enabled will give out DHCP. The ones that aren't enabled won't do that. After you have that, you can go to your DHCP ranges. This is where you'll have to just put in the ranges that you want to use. Relay is if you use maybe a different server for DHCP and you wanted to basically relay the info to your iShield. This is your leases, so you'll see all the devices connected to your iShield. I currently only have my PC. And then also you can do reservations, which I've already done. And this is useful for when you're setting up a new network and maybe the printers aren't on static and you just want to get them on static, and so you can sort things out, do a reservation. It's not ideal, but it will make your life easier. DHCP options, there's various options you could choose. DNS server, domain search, NTP time server, and then DNS server. So the iShield will automatically ping the upstream service and see which DNS service is the quickest. You can either use that or you can do a manual DNS selection. The iShield usually uses Google's DNS service. I personally prefer 9.9.9.9, but it's up to you. If you want to use maybe AdGuard or whatever, it's available for you, and then various DNS options. So you can do a DNS address redirect and a domain DNS forward. Best thing would just be to play around a bit, see what works for you, and see how you would like to set it up.